explain that if you are getting a block corruption on a table level, then how to fix that block corruption on your database. So let me show you. Like I'm connected with 12c database, and by using this select query, you can see your object level block corruption. So by this, you can see on our segment name, you can see this is a table, and the table is having a block corruption. So for fixing it, what we have to do, we will take the table export. By using the export, you can see export sys directory, dump file, and log file. I created I took a table export, and after taking a table export, as you can see, it successfully completed. Yeah, the export has completed successfully, and then I connected once again to the database, and I dropped that particular table. Drop table honor dot table, and after dropping that table, what I have done, I dropped the table and re-imported the same table. And after re-importing, when I connected again to the database, and by using that select query, I tried to check the block corruption on my machine, and it got resolved. If you see the here, if you see, initially it was showing a block corruption. Now it's showing free block. It means the corruption has been resolved. So this is the way to resolve a block corruption if you get that block corruption on a table level. Thanks for watching till here. This is the way to resolve it. Thanks.